Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you in-depth, expert reviews to help you make the best beauty decisions. Today, we're talking about a product designed for precision grooming, the Philips Norelco OneBlade Pro 360 Face Plus Body. If you're someone who's looking for versatility in your grooming routine, this might just be your new go-to tool. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Philips Norelco OneBlade Pro 360 is a multifunctional grooming device meant to shave, trim, and edge both facial and body hair. Featuring OneBlade technology, it's designed to offer a fast-moving cutter for efficient hair removal, even on longer hairs. The 360-degree blade flexes in all directions, making it easier to reach difficult spots. Plus, it's fully waterproof and comes with a variety of attachments for different grooming needs. Now, let's talk about how it actually performs. I didn't just test this on myself. My husband, who's the primary user of male grooming tools, also got a chance to put it through its paces. I always make sure to involve him in reviews of men's grooming products since, as a woman, I don't personally use them. His experience with the OneBlade Pro 360 was eye-opening, especially when it came to ease of use and comfort. First off, the blade design really stands out. The 360-degree blade flexes to maintain constant skin contact, which really made a difference during his grooming routine. This design allowed for better control, and he found it easier to reach tricky spots like the neck and jawline, areas that can often be difficult to trim with a standard razor. He mentioned that the smooth, rounded tips help prevent irritation, making it much more comfortable than other razors he's used in the past. One of the biggest pluses here is the variety of attachments, including the 14-length precision comb. The different length settings give him flexibility depending on the look he's going for, whether it's a clean shave or maintaining stubble. The stubble looked even and natural, which is a huge win. It also comes with a body kit and a click-on body comb that made grooming below the belt easier and more precise. In terms of ease of use, he noted how much he appreciated the waterproof design. Whether he used it in the shower or dry, the results were consistent and it was easy to clean. Just rinse it under the tap and you're good to go. The body grooming kit was a nice touch, especially with the skin guard, which provided extra protection during sensitive grooming areas. The runtime of 90 minutes is solid. With the included Li-ion battery, the OneBlade Pro 360 offers enough time for multiple uses before needing to be recharged, which is perfect for travel or busy days when you need to fit in a quick trim. The 1-hour charge time was convenient as well. However, it's worth noting that the charging system uses a USB-A cable, which might be less convenient for those used to a standard plug-in charger. The blade durability is another great feature. Philips claims the blade lasts up to 4 months, which I think is a fair time frame considering the nature of the blade's design. When it's time to replace the blade, an eject icon will appear, so you won't be left guessing. This adds a layer of convenience and helps ensure optimal performance. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: the 360-degree flexing blade provides excellent control, even in tricky areas. Waterproof design allows for easy use and cleaning, whether wet or dry. The 14-length precision comb offers customizable trimming, which is great for both stubble and full beard looks. The inclusion of a body kit and skin guard makes it versatile for full-body grooming. A long-lasting Li-ion battery and solid runtime make it travel-friendly. Cons: the USB-A cable charger may not be as convenient for everyone. It's a bit on the pricier side for a grooming tool, but the quality is definitely there. When considering value for money, I'd say the OneBlade Pro 360 does offer a good balance of performance and price, but it may be on the higher end compared to other electric razors or trimmers. That said, the quality and features, like the 360-degree flex blade and customizable trim options, help justify the price for those looking for a versatile and durable grooming tool. There are cheaper alternatives out there, but many won't offer the same level of precision and versatility. For example, the original Philips Norelco OneBlade, while similar, doesn't come with the same number of attachments and flexibility, so it might not offer the same value for someone looking for a more comprehensive grooming solution. In terms of build quality, the OneBlade Pro 360 feels sturdy, and the attachments click on securely, which speaks to its overall durability. I wouldn't expect it to lose performance over time, as long as the blades are regularly replaced, as indicated by the eject icon. I didn't have to interact with customer support directly, but Philips has a solid reputation for customer service, so I'd expect any issues to be handled promptly. So, what's the final verdict? This grooming tool is ideal for someone who values versatility and quality in their grooming routine. If you're looking for a tool that offers precision, comfort, and flexibility across both face and body, the OneBlade Pro 360 delivers. However, it might not be the best choice if you're on a tight budget or only need a simple trimmer. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. And if you've used the Philips Norelco OneBlade Pro 360, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.